Hey everyone, let's create a super smooth blowout today using my Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go brush. My first step is going to be to blow dry my hair, rough dry it about 85% before I even go in with a brush. It's just going to make my life so much easier and the process so much faster. Once I do that, I'm hitting my hairline because I have cowlicks. So I'm using the first 2 rows of teeth with this brush, and I'm using the Cool Shot, following the teeth closely so that I can really stretch out my cowlick and straighten out my hair and create a smooth look while protecting my hair. That's why I'm using the Cool Shot while I'm doing this. Now that my hair is 85% dry, I'm just going to section it up. And I'm taking about 2-inch wide sections across the bottom, and I'm making sure that I blow dry my root area before anything else. Once my root area is dry, I'm working the brush down through the mids. My pro tip for you is going to be that the brush will easily start to glide through your hair as your hair dries. That's how you'll know which section is going to be dry and which section still has moisture in it. Once I'm done with that and I feel like everything's smooth, I'm just going to make sure that my root area is dry because I do have extensions. It's extremely important to make sure that your extensions are dry at the root before you move on to your next section. If I ever feel like my root area still has moisture in it, what I'll do is I'll drop the brush and then just rough dry the root area a little bit more. Now this might cause a little bit of frizz, so once I get it dry, I'm going to take the brush and go back through that section that I just rough dried to smooth it out. I think it's really important when you're doing any sort of blowout on yourself to understand that you still have moisture in your hair, and the brushes are generally there to help you smooth down the cuticle and create shape and style in your hair. So don't be afraid to go back through once your hair is dry and use this brush to smooth it out and create a little bit of shape or get rid of any creases that you might have from wearing your hair up or anything like that. This brush is really amazing for it. And I do think that one thing people forget about is the fact that we can still manipulate our hair once it's dry. Right here, my ends are completely dry, but what I'm doing is taking the ends of my hair and kind of wrapping them around the side of this brush, and I'm hitting it with a Cool Shot to set it and smooth out my ends. Sometimes extensions can get a little frizzy on the bottom, and this is really helping me create a nice, smooth little bevel at the bottom of my hair. I love using this trick on days 2 and 3 hair, just to add a little bit of bend to my ends and kind of create a little bit of shine. You can also add a little bit of oil to your ends first and then do this. Okay, now I'm going through and just brushing my hair out so that you guys can see the style that I got with this brush alone and just drying my hair. That's it. There was no flat irons or anything used. I love the shine that I got, and I love how straight it made my hair. The Easy Dry and Go brush really does simplify my blow drying. I don't have to worry about maneuvering with a round brush or anything like that. I just use this, dries my hair quickly, and gives me the style that I want. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.